Your portraits look flat? Let me show you 3 simple ways to use window light at home and how to choose the right one for your subject.
I'm out in Sin City with you on my mind. You're so damn pretty, got me all tongue-tied. Come run away with me while the stakes are high. When I feel like...
Hi, I'm Tanya, a portrait photographer based in Germany, and today you will learn how to truly understand your window light. Most people think they need better gear, but honestly, that's not the problem. The real problem is you don't know what your light is doing yet.
Been waiting a long time.
Before you even think about your light, look at your subject's face. Light only works if it matches the face. TJ has very defined cheekbones, so I want to emphasize that. That means the light should come from above. And here's something really important. You don't move the light. You can't move your window, so you move your subject. I placed her lower, so the window light comes from above. This creates shadows under the cheekbones and gives the face structure. This is TJ, photographed frontal. It's too flat. And now this, much more depth. But here is the thing, the setup often goes wrong, so let me show you how to control it.
I'm out in Sin City with you on my mind. You're so damn pretty, got me all tongue-tied. Come run away with me while the stakes are high. When I feel like this, it's do or die. At the top floor, I can touch the sky. Take my hand, we can feel alive. I can see heaven if I close my eyes. Catch me if you can on the other side. I dare you to make me feel something. I dare you, let's stop or nothing. I dare you to make me feel.
Been waiting a long time.
Right now, the light looks dramatic, but also a bit harsh. You get shadows under the eyes. You can edit it, or you use the second option, a reflector. If you add a reflector from below, you soften those shadows. And if you use a silver reflector, you also add more punch to the image. So the light feels brighter, a bit more contrasty, but less dramatic. But what if you want more depth again? Then use subtract light. In my case, I use 2 black reflectors on the sides, because black absorbs light instead of reflecting it, which means your shadows get deeper again, especially on the cheekbones. Now look at this difference. This is where you stop guessing and start controlling light. And by the way, you don't always need special gear for this. If you want to soften shadows, you can use anything bright. A white wall, a white curtain, even a piece of fabric. Everything that's white reflects light and will lift your shadows. And if you want more drama, you remove that bounce. Or you put a negative fill.
Been waiting a long time. Can't hide, so I let it in. Each step through the door, I feel it all, feel it all. Break off from the shoreline. Choose all that I've never been. Her voice is the North Star. Do it all, do it all. All it calling me. Never look back through the deepest red street. Falling and burning blue fire going up in my head. Yeah. Your kiss stays. Show me the way. Darkness will fall and break through the wall.
If this helps you understand light better, I'd really appreciate a like, a comment or a subscribe. And now we move on.
Been waiting a long time.
So far we have only changed the light from one direction. Now let's change the angle and completely reshape the face. Now I move her further away from the window and turn her slightly. This gives us Rembrandt lighting. That small triangle of light here, that's what creates depth. And now compare this to facing the window directly again. Much more depth. And here's something really important. The closer your subject is to the window, the stronger the light fall off. Which means one side is very bright and the other side falls into shadows very quickly. This is based on the inverse square law. Light drops off very fast at close distance. If you move your subject further away, the light becomes softer and more even. So distance alone can completely change your image. Now, if you don't have much space or you want more drama, you can stay close to the window and turn your subject so that he is directly on the side. That gives you split lighting, half light, half shadow. Very dramatic. You can soften the shadows again with the reflector. This is a setup that I love for men also. And if you don't have a studio background, just use what you have. I use a wardrobe door and place a piece of fabric over it. That's it. You really don't need more.
It's a Tuesday night, staring after the sunlight while I'm out in the rain. Saying, "No, Lord, I've done it again. There's a devil on my shoulder every year that I get older. And try to turn away, but he's got too much to say. Devil on my shoulder every year that I get older. And try to turn away, but he's got too much to say. I know we saying take it, drink it, turn around."
So, little mini recap. So, what did we learn? The top light is for structure, shadow control for mood, side light for depth, and once you start seeing light like this, you will never look at a window the same way again. If you want to take this further, watch this next video where I show you how to use natural light outdoors for even more powerful portraits. See you there. Bye!